Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to link Konami ID onto eFootball and Steam on your laptop or PC. So how to actually do that? First, you need to actually just launch Steam, and then you need to launch eFootball on your Steam app. After you do that, this home screen will appear to you. You need to actually click on the extras menu as seen from here. And then from the extras menu, you will see the support section on the down left corner. You need to actually click on it. So on the support menu, you will find link Konami ID as the first option. You need to actually click on it, and now you will be able to link Konami ID. So to link your Konami ID, you will have two options. The first one is to scan your QR code from here from your mobile device to log into Konami from your mobile device. Or you can actually just copy this link on your laptop or PC device, and you can actually paste it on any browser. So as see from here, so after you paste the link, this is what you will see. You will see Konami ID login menu. So now you can actually write your Konami ID or email address and then write your password to log into Konami ID. So if you don't have a Konami ID account, you can actually click on new member registration to make your account. So now you can actually fill all your details and make a new account, and then you can go back to the login page to log in to Konami ID. After that, you can successfully log in to Konami ID and link it using eFootball. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.